Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals course. Today we are going to be talking about conditionals. So let's get cracking. So let's say we wanted in some instances to increase our value, and in some instances we wanted to decrease our value. In that case we would want to use a conditional. So what is a conditional? Conditional is a if statement. So if, let's see, we have a conditional underscore. So if the value is true, then we want to plus plus. Else, we want to underscore minus minus. So if you are, then we could also set up another if down here. So if num underscore is greater than 100, conditional underscore is equal to false. Else, if num underscore is less than 1, conditional underscore is equal to true. And this will cause our value to ping pong between 100 and 1. So let's check that out. So we're up, 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 down, down, down. And up, up, up. There we go. So we have the if, which allows us to do if conditional. If you're true, then do this. Else, do false. So if you're any other value than true, then do this. However, if you want to be more specific, you would say else if. Then so we have if number underscore is greater than 100, then it would turn to false. If we just put else rather than else if, so anytime the value is not greater than 100, it would become true. So then you could be stuck at 99, and then it would flip between 99 and 100 rather than going between 100 and 1. So you want to be more specific by throwing in an else in this instance. And these are what allow you to make a lot of different choices in your game. So let's make this a little bit more practical here. So if keyboard underscore check vk underscore right. So this is very similar. This is exactly the same code as key pressed right if I added that event. In this case, I want to increase my X by 1 every single time, every single frame that I detect that the right key is being held down. So this would allow our player character to move. There we go. We're running across the screen at the speed of 1. All right. And then we could do VK left, and then we can move our character left, and so on and so forth. Ifs are the workhorse of all of our everything that we do. A lot of our stuff would be based on if. So get used to ifs, love them, need them. We also have the opportunity to add additional lines. So if I wanted to do num underscore plus equal 2 as well, then we would add additional lines by using the parentheses. But if you're just doing one line, you don't need to bother the parentheses. In fact, you could even just go like this if you really wanted to, just num plus plus. And it all really depends on how you feel would make the layout look more visibly appealing and easier to read later on. So anyways, I think that's good enough on conditionals. So thank you everybody for watching, and good luck with your coding.